Hey guys, it's Bethany, and today is my 40th birthday, and we are all in quarantine because of the coronavirus. So it's going to be a different birthday for me, but I just wanted to say hi and show you like what I got for my birthday today to help me with my YouTube channel. So my husband went out and got the Canon G7X3. So it's supposed to be good for vlogging. So I am going to show you the difference in video quality when it comes to shooting with my iPhone versus shooting with the G7X3. And I'm still learning, so you have to bear with me. All right, so this is the difference between the iPhone and the Canon G7X3. So I'm going to be trying my best to learn all the different tips and tricks on how to use this camera to the best of its ability. We already ordered like a mic that you can attach to it, just because, you know, right now there's not a lot to do. So when you're on lockdown quarantine, you come up with new hobbies. So we can't go on trips or vacations or to a restaurant. So we're gonna make YouTube videos. And it's also a way just for me to be able to keep in touch with my family. So hi family, I miss you, I love you. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. I know that for us, in some ways I'm enjoying the lockdown because we're used to, the weekends are all about transporting the kids every which way, and now we're kind of resting, which is great, because usually we were working all week, and then on the weekends when we would like to rest, we're having to run the kids around. So it's been kind of a nice little vacation inadvertently for us. I mean, it's scary not knowing how long the quarantine's gonna last, but the good news is that we've stocked up on food. We like to cook. If we can't get any more pasta from the grocery store, I have a pasta attachment that I can figure out how to make my own, and that'd probably be another cooking vlog in itself. So, you know, we're gonna make the best of it, and we're gonna watch a whole bunch of Animal Planet with cute puppies and binge watch all the shows that we didn't have time to do before, and just, you know, hang out with our families and try to stay safe and healthy. So I just wanted to say hi to you guys and show you the new camera that I got, and stay safe and healthy and inside until this is all over. Bye.